Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to cast your Xbox to any device in your house, whether that's a computer, a TV, an iPad, or a phone. We're going to start with the computer. Open the Xbox app on your computer. Go to the top left, there should show your name, and next to it, consoles. If you set up your console already, then click on it. If not, set up your console. A little ship should show up. This is good. In a few seconds, it'll be connected to your console. And you can play games. You do have to use your Xbox controller. It's not like using your keyboard and mouse. You have to connect it to your Xbox. To disconnect from it, in the top left, click that little thing, click the three dots, and click disconnect. Now for TV. For TV, you need to go to Google, click the three dots in the top right corner, click Cast, go to Sources and change it to Cast Screen. Now click the TV that you want to cast to. I'm pretty sure that you do need Chromecast for this. Now on your TV, it should be casting your entire computer screen. Go to the Xbox app and do the same thing we did for the computer. Now you should see on your TV that you can play your Xbox games. Now for Apple. Go on your Apple device and install the Xbox app. Sign in and open it. In the top right corner, click the Consoles button and click Remote Play on this device. Wait a second and it should connect. It'll ask you to connect a controller through Bluetooth or USB. You do not need to do this as long as it's connected to the console. And there, now you can play it. On Android devices, it's pretty much the same thing as Apple.